for it in, but I have a first time you wearing a. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited because I'm assuming this that the first time you're wearing a sari, and let's not waste another minute and get into the video, because there are lots of information that you will get in this video and you will have to keep in your mind before choosing your farewell sari. Before I'm starting the video, make sure you subscribe my channel, because you will see lots of video on fashion, makeup and craft. So there are some do's and don'ts. First, categorizing all things into separate things. Let's start the video. You need to keep in your mind that your fabric is not too heavy like silk sari, because silk sari will always make it look like super traditional. It would be a great choice, but for wedding, not for farewell. For farewell, you can go for a lighter option like chiffon, georgette, organza and cotton. These options are lightweight as well as comfortable for you. It is totally up to you. You just choose the color which you like it. But I have a suggestion. You can also try ombre type look. I think it's look beautiful. Otherwise you can go for a pink, blue, black and green. Try to don't go for a printed sari. If you want to wear a print sari, then you can go for a small printed, not for bigger. I don't think it's look good on you. So you can go for a monochromatic look. It's help to look taller. You can go for a contrast look, and you can also use your tank top as a blouse. That is the best option. It's totally up to you. Just go for it in which you feel comfortable. If you want to wear petticoat, then go for it. If you want to wear sari shaper, then go for it. Just make sure you feel comfortable. So never go for a golden jewelry. It will give you wedding vibe. So you can go with silver, oxidized and American diamonds. So never go for a high heel or pencil heel. It's make you feel uncomfortable. Either you can go for a block heels, flat, juti, shoes and wedge heels. So never go for a heavy makeup look. It's not look good on you. Either you can go for a clean girl makeup look and natural makeup looks. It's look good on you. And for the hairstyle, it's totally up to you. Whatever you want to experiment with your hair, you can. So here my pro tips. First, use safety pin to secure your pallu. Second, before wearing your sari, you have to wear your footwear. This will not affect the sari length. Third, for jewelry, if you want to wear big earrings, then avoid wearing necklace. Similarly, if you want to wear necklace, then go for a small earrings. This help to make clean and subtle look. Fourth, carry a bag which is perfectly matched with your accessories. Fifth, if you wear a blouse, then go for a padded blouse. It's my opinion. This definitely help you. Hey, I hope this video helps you. Then don't forget to subscribe me and share with your friends and seniors, and let me know in the comment box this video helps you or not. Bye.